To generate the lamp, we'll use the 3D model as the background image. In this video, you'll see step-by-step how to achieve the effect shown in the photos. First, we load the image of the lamp and remove the background using the Remove BG button. Next, we load the 3D model of the room where we want to place the lamp. Click the 3D BG icon. A window appears where we can upload our own 3D model, or use one that we've already uploaded. Click on the preview of the room that we've uploaded and is available to all our users. Once we're inside the room, find a place for the lamp by rotating the scene. Hold down the left mouse button and move the mouse. Next, reveal the lamp layer and rotate the scene by holding the left mouse button on the 3D model layer, or pan the scene by holding the right mouse button. When we've found the right spot for the lamp, we should describe what needs to be generated. Since we're lazy, we'll use AI for this. Click the Generate Description button in the Generate tab. After a moment, a description will appear. Just check if the description of the lamp is at the beginning. If not, add information about the lamp. Next, we can proceed to generation. We can immediately generate 3 images by increasing the batch size to 3. Click Generate Images and wait for the images to appear in the Generated Images tab. Unfortunately, the generated lamp has elements that the original product doesn't have. The smaller the product in the whole scene, the more likely this is to happen. In this case, the lamp occupies only about 1/10 of the entire area. Let's try to help the AI see the lamp's edges more clearly by increasing the sketch strength parameter. It will appear after checking the Advanced Options checkbox. Let's regenerate 3 images. Remove the seed, the ID of the last generated image, and regenerate 3 images again. Unfortunately, the lamp still contains additional elements. Let's try to slightly enlarge it and adjust the position. Generate 3 images. This time, one of the images is good enough. Select it. After clicking on the image, the seed field will be filled with its ID, and the batch size will be set to 1. Don't move anything. It's time to bring our image to life by adding ambient light and transferring details from the original lamp to the generated one. We'll use the 2 lights option for this. The images are ready. Now we can hide the original product layer and preview the generated images. We can right-click on the ones we like and save them. Now let's generate a wall sconce. Select the image, remove the background, and position the image in the chosen spot on the wall. Adjust the description and remove the seed. As before, generate 3 images. Turn off the 2 lights option. We'll turn it back on when we generate an image that we preliminarily like. Choose an image that is almost perfect. Adjust the wood color by adding dark mahogany. It's almost perfect. Let's apply the 2 lights option.